Hey, Skylar here with your news digest for June 25th. The agentic era just got another gear. Google put computer control into its fastest model. China reclaimed the supercomputer crown, and enterprise AI partnerships are hitting nine-figure targets. Let's get into it. First up, Google added computer use to Gemini 3.5 Flash. Your AI can now see your screen and click, type, scroll across browser, mobile, and desktop. They scored 78.4% on OS World, effectively a three-way tie with GPT 5.5 and Claude Opus 4.7. The twist? Google put this into their fastest, cheapest model, not a premium tier. 4 times faster and less than half the cost of competitors. Salesforce, Xero, Shopify, and Ramp are already integrating it. Speed and price might win the agentic desktop race more than raw benchmarks. Moving on to supercomputing. China's LineShine just took the #1 spot on the TOP 500 list, 2.198 exaflops of sustained performance. And here's the wild part. It's an all-CPU system, no GPUs. First machine ever to break 2 exaflops using only general-purpose processors. It overtakes the US El Capitan system that had held the crown since 2024. The architecture choice matters. When you can't import certain chips, you design around the constraint. China just proved that alternative path works at extreme scale. Switching gears, HSBC and Google Cloud signed a multi-year AI partnership targeting over 200 use cases across the bank's global operations. They're expecting a $100 million return per use case. DeepMind engineering teams are collaborating directly. Banking is where AI either proves its reliability or doesn't. HSBC betting this big signals real confidence. For our next story, Singtel sold a 2.8% stake in Thailand's Gulf development for about $773 million. It's part of a $9 billion asset recycling plan, and the proceeds are flowing into digital infrastructure and data center investments. Singapore's telecom giant quietly repositioning toward AI infrastructure. And finally, CrowdStrike dropped an important warning. OAuth tokens can't tell you which specific AI agent instance is making a request or on whose behalf. When agents call other agents in chains, you get what's called the confused deputy problem, downstream systems inheriting too much access. This isn't theoretical. Every enterprise deploying agents hits this. The industry needs a standard for agent identity and access tokens, and it doesn't have one yet. Security problems follow capabilities, always do. 3 things to try. First, test Gemini 3.5 Flash computer use. Public preview, API access, half the cost. Second, read the CrowdStrike piece on agent identity. If you're building agent infrastructure, this is your next hard problem. Third, save the LineShine architecture note. All CPU at 2 exaflops is a design pattern worth understanding. Full details and links are on the site. That's your digest. Catch you next run. Bye.